There is someone out there right now that needs inspired, and this is for you, whoever you are, wherever you are. Understand something. When life tells you that you have to fight to get what you want, it is your responsibility to be ready for that moment before you get to it. If you're suffering right now, this part in your life is a challenge to train harder. This is not a roadblock, but a hurdle. Stand up to the challenge and show life that you're not done yet. You still have fight left in you. You have a beast inside of you that will take you to the next level. You just have to stop trying to quiet the beast so that the people around you are comfortable. Go do you. Get up and go find yourself again. And don't you dare stop when it gets hard. Don't quit when people around you start to question you. You stay focused on your outcome and you will have it. I have goosebumps right now. Whoever you are, God is pushing you to go now. You have a dream that's about to die because you're being complacent. And you'll never know how great you almost were because you chose not to move on life in this very second. God bless you.